that's what the USSR decided to do. They decided that they would change words like communism, which had a distaste. Right in the 1930s, people had come out of the Depression. They were able to purchase the American dream. Dad was able to go to work. Mom was able to stay home and raise the kids. And on the surface, it looked beautiful. And so they couldn't come in and say, we're going to take away your middle class dream. Because those people could remember it wasn't that long before they all struggled. And so the first people they went to what they called the ghetto classes. They went to the African American churches and they said, we're going to introduce communism. And they said, oh, no, you're not. We are God-fearing people. We already have our faith. We don't need that. So instead, they said, all right. And they went back and they thought about it and they said, let's call it social justice.